How to recover deleted Instagram photos part 2. Number 3. Tap your activity. Tap your activity. Number 4. Tap recently delete. Tap recently delete. Recently delete. This will open the this will open the delete folder. Number 5. Select on the select on the deleted photos, deleted posts. Then tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap register. Then tap register again. Number 6. To either permanently register or content, delete content, you will need a one-time password. You will need a one-time password sent you. One-time password sent you. This is to prevent hackers. This is to prevent hackers from havoc, working havoc on your profile. You can close to have it sent to an email or phone number to have it sent to an email or phone number. Thanks for watching this video.